you guys have been afraid of the dark. Unlike me, especially on a staircase, when the switch to the light is on the other end. Hello? Anybody there? So I have an old easy solution for you guys. That is to use a two-way switch. So you may see here the general circuit diagram of the two-way switch circuit. Although this circuit might seem a bit complex, but trust me, it's not. So we have over here two switches, a bulb or a load, and a plug which provides the 220 volt AC, and the blue wire indicates the connection. So let me show you the circuit in operation. So if this circuit is connected in this configuration, in which switch 1 is closed on the upside and switch 2 is closed on the downside, then you may not be able to see any path for the flow of the current. Similar is the case with this configuration. This configuration also not allows any flow of the current. You may be able to notice an open path over here. So in these conditions, the bulb will not glow and the current will not flow. You see, I'm even priming good. So the bulb will only glow if both of the switches are connected to the upper side or the downward side. So now with our hands-on theory, we can build the circuit now. So to demonstrate this project, I would need two two-way switches, a bulb holder, a plug, a firm base, and some wires. So you can make all the connections according to the circuit diagram provided. I need to connect all the three components into the board like this. The AC source comes across the bulb and the middle terminal of the switch 1. The upper and lower terminals of switch 1 and 2 are connected to each other, and the middle terminal of switch 2 is connected to the bulb. So let's power the circuit. Unfortunately, my wires shorted together. Try not to short circuit anything and always power your circuit with series circuit to be safe. Now I'll let my series circuit, which I built in my previous video, to power my prototype. Please always use insulating tape to secure your connections. You see, when both of the buttons are at opposite positions, the bulb doesn't glow. But as soon as I turn any of the switch on, the bulb glows. But as soon as I turn any one of the switch off, the bulb goes off. And similarly, if I turn this switch down, the bulb again goes brighter. Hopefully with this video you will understand how a two-way switch works. So now you will not be afraid of dark anymore. Hey, please turn on the lights. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, stop, please, stop. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned something interesting today. And if you haven't watched my previous video yet, go check it out. Thanks for your support, and please like, share and subscribe and keep supporting me. Bye.